Hi everyone. Good morning, first and foremost, to those that are just waking up. Good afternoon to those who have been up. And good night to those that are going to sleep. So, today is day 4 of the A Purpose-Driven Life series. I'm doing a book study on the book A Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren. I have pinned it below for those of you that would like to get into it. So we are on day 4. And day 4, I'm just going to go ahead and get started, is about basically, what do you think about us being made for eternity rather than just the here and now? Okay, so it's called Made to Last Forever. And basically the chapter begins by stating we have this somewhat longing for more. We're constantly wondering. Sorry about my connection. Okay, so we're constantly... So I'm just going to move a little bit closer to my house because my Wi-Fi is acting up. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have this constant yearning to find what comes next. So there couldn't be just this life, right? Some people believe in reincarnation. Some people believe in the afterlife. Whatever it is that you may believe in, I think that it's no secret that us as humans have this seed that's planted in our hearts that we're looking for more. So the fact that that seed is planted in our heart, maybe it's just an instinct, maybe it is something that is real, and it's just a preparation, a thought that we should be ready for that. So what I believe in is, I believe in God. I don't know what your spiritual beliefs are, and I respect that. However, my beliefs are God. So with my belief of God, I do believe in the afterlife. I do believe in heaven versus hell. And if that is something that is true, then based off of what we were speaking of yesterday, there is so much more to life, that this is just the beginning. We're just getting started. So this life is kind of getting us prepared for what comes next. So this concept is something that I believe has helped me grieve loss. And when I was listening to the audio portion of the chapter, there was a quote that was made, that was said, that really stood out to me. And I feel like that's something that was settling. So I wanted to share it with you guys. It says, "We don't grieve for those we lost because we know where they're going. We grieve for ourselves because we're going to miss them." I think that is beautiful, and it's 100% true. A lot of the times, so just self-disclosure, I lost my mother when I was 21 years old. This was about over 10 years ago. And I really, what got me through losing her, obviously, something like that is never easy. And I'm not going to be 100%, inhuman and say that I never think about it and I'm never sad about it. Of course I am. But sometimes I get to the root of why am I so sad? Because I know that my mother was saved. I know that she was a strong believer of God. She led me to a life of knowing about God and all that. So I strongly believe that my mom is in heaven. So that's not a sad thought. My mother being with God, she's really the lucky one. So when I do feel sad about her, it's not because of where she's at now, because like I said, she's blessed. It's because I'm sad that I can't experience her anymore. And in life, we don't get to keep people. We get to experience them only, and for a temporary part of time. So it's very important not to get too attached to the idea of keeping someone forever and ever, and because really it's till death do you part. So yes, I loved that quote, and I think I'm going to use that quote as the title for this audio because It's just such a realistic way to look at things, especially grief. Another thing that I took from the chapter is, surely God would not have created such a being as man to exist for only a day. No, man was made for immortality. It makes sense, right? Could this be it? I don't believe that. So I do believe in the afterlife, like I said, but I think that you guys should really read chapter 4 just to kind of see if it's in line with the way that you believe. I believe that it is something that if you are going through loss right now, it could really help you out. And like I said, I wanted to share this book with those of you because I don't know what you're battling. I don't know what anybody else is going through. All I know is if I could bring a positive message that could really settle your mind and your spirit, then I fulfilled my purpose for the day. So I hope that you guys read it, and I hope that you're enjoying my book study. I will be posting this to my Instagram TV, so that you could tune back in if you missed the beginning. And yes, have a great day.